Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the Claude AI login error on PC in 2026. So if you can't sign into Claude or the login page keeps failing, this guide will walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Weak or disconnected networks can prevent Claude from loading the login page properly. Try reconnecting your Wi-Fi or switching to another network. Next, refresh the Claude AI login page and try signing in again. So, temporary browser or server glitches can sometimes cause login failures. One of the most common fixes is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted website data can stop Claude from authenticating your account correctly. Sometimes VPNs, ad blockers, or privacy extensions interfere with the login process. Temporarily disabling them can help determine whether they're causing the issue. If Claude still won't log in, try another browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Some browser settings can block authentication requests. Another important step is checking whether Claude's servers are working normally. So if there's maintenance or heavy traffic, login requests may temporarily fail. If your password might be incorrect, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. After creating a new password, try signing in again with the updated details. And that's how to fix the Claude AI login error on PC in 2026. Usually clearing browser data, disabling VPNs, or switching browsers solves the problem pretty quickly. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI troubleshooting tutorials and productivity tips. Hey everyone, in